and gentlemen, good morning, judges, and also all of my beloved friends. Hello, how are you? I hope all of you have a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself first. My name is Afriza Farza Nabokatan Ghafuro. You can call me Afriza. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Sunan Derajat Islamic Elementary School, Tutur, Pasuruan, and I'm 6th grade student. Today, I would like to explain about how to make fruit salad. Do you know fruit salad? Fruit salad is a type of food made from forest fruit and then given a sauce made from mayonnaise and syrup condensed milk. The benefit of eating fruit salad is to implement a healthy lifestyle. Why we must eat fruit? Because fruit consists of many vitamins for our body. So now, are you ready to make fruit salad with me? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, I want to tell you about the ingredients to make fruit salad. The ingredients are apple, watermelon, orange, melon, grapes, jelly, cheese, mayonnaise, and syrup condensed milk. Secondly, I want to tell you about the tools to make fruit salad. The tools are bowl and spoon. And the third, I I want to tell you about the steps to make fruit salad. First, prepare the ingredients and the tools. Now I want to make the sauce. We add mayonnaise and mix with syrup and condensed milk. And mix. The sauce is ready. After that, put the fruit into a bowl. Ladies and gentlemen, apple has many vitamins for our body. Next, watermelon. As we know that my favorite fruit is watermelon because watermelon is juicy and fresh. And the last, I want to add melon. This melon is very sweet. Add jelly, add sauce, and grated cheese, and grapes, and orange as a topping. Finally, fruit salad is ready to be served. I will try it first. Mmm, the taste so delicious. Sweet and the fruit is fresh. Okay, audiences, making fruit salad is already finished. The method is very easy. If the audiences wants to make this recipe, this video can help you to make fruit salad. Ladies and gentlemen, I think enough for me. I would like to say thank you for your nice attention, and I'm sorry if I made any errors. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye and see you.